in 30 seconds. I'm going to be jumping on YouTube right now, so make sure you're there. Take care, guys. All right, all right. Let's go, YouTube. Let's close this. How do I close this again? Oh, here. Here we go. Perfect. Excellent. Let's get going. Let's get going. Let's get going. Let's get going. Okay, where's my mic? Mic is here. Let's change this for filter. Boom, boom. No background noise. Here we go. Open up the camera. There we go. Where is this? Here we go. All right, perfect, guys. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Forex Talk Over Beer. This is another episode of Forex Talk Over Beer, like I just said. So concept is really simple. We're going to break down trades. We're going to talk Forex, and we're going to enjoy a nice beer. This is my pre-drink beer. This one was pretty good. This was a West Coast IPA. Yeah, really good. So we're just going to wait a couple minutes for people to show up. And we're gonna get going here. So the concept is really simple for people that are new here. Concept is really simple. I'm gonna open up a beer with you. We're gonna have a drink all together, chit chat about Forex, go over Q&As, go over trades that we took this week, and yeah, all questions are welcome, and I'm gonna try to answer them the best way as possible. Of course, this stream is there to help people while they're trading. So I mean, again, if you have any question, don't be shy. Sound is good. All right, Mike's man. He's my man. He got my back. Thank you, man. Good morning, Lauren. Oh, good morning, Lauren. Cheers to that. Are you having a orange juice, Lauren? Are you a juice girl? Like, do you drink orange juice or like pineapple juice or something like that? What's up, Clay? What's up? All right. Morning, Mike and Rage. Okay, Forex Talk over a couple beer. Yeah, tonight it's over a couple beer. So this one is the first one down. One down. One more to go. And tonight, for people that doesn't know this app here, let me show you. Activity. I guess I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see that, but here, yeah, here, Untapped. This app right here. Untap is an app for beer, and it's like a Facebook but for beer. So basically, what you do, you also have a feed like Facebook. So basically, I can see my friends what kind of beer that they drank, what rating they did on it. I don't know if you can zoom focus. It's out of focus, but anyways. So basically, it'll show like every beer, and I can actually use a barcode from any beer, scan it, and know exactly what people rate that beer. So it's actually pretty cool. So basically, anyways, so on this app right now, I got 900. If you go on my profile, and you can add me. If you guys, you see right now, this is my profile. You see 1,262 check-ins. That means like different beers. Usually I don't double rate as the same beer, but actually I did a couple of times, I guess. But if you look at beers, this is 999 different beers that are rated. And tonight I'm gonna be celebrating with you 1,000. So yeah, I know it's just me being a kid, right? But the other thing we're gonna celebrate tonight is we actually have our 50th. I don't know. Can you say that in English? 50th? 50th? Hey, the Franglish trying to talk, right? So anyways, we got 50 students in FX Docs Academy. So this is pretty cool because FX Docs Academy got launched 2 months and a half ago, maybe? I'm so bad with timing, man. I'm so bad. Hold on. I launched like I think February, beginning of February, if I'm not wrong. So February, March, April. So 3 months, I guess. Yes, so 3 months. So yeah, pretty excited about that. So it's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. So let's see. comments before we break down trades. All right, so this beer is done. So now it's gonna be the time for that 1,000 beer. But first thing first, let's go over some comments here. Let's see. Who doesn't OG is one is better than apple juice? Oh, okay. Hey, what's up, dogs? What's up, Yassine? Hey, Sasha in the pack. What's up, Karen? Karen, welcome, Karen. Karen, you should say thanks to Rages because Rages, man, it got you in that draw and you won that $100 coupon for FX Dogs Academy. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. 50 students. Yes, thank you, Roman. How many trades for you to cover the cost of all your beers? I don't know. Of all those beers, let's put average like of cost. The cost is not on that one, but this probably those kind of beers averaging like probably around like $7 Canadian. So by 1,000, that's 7,000, right? So yeah, I mean, I guess probably like I don't know, a couple trades. Um, let's see here. More question. Crazy man, a Roman. Thank you. Are you okay with me watching from the hot tub? Naked? I don't know about that one. I don't know. If you keep your hands outside of the water, I'm good. You know. Um. All right. So first thing first, let's get started with this episode, guys. Welcome again if you're new here. Welcome. This is Forex Talk Over Beer. We're gonna go over trades, Q&As. But first thing first, this is the 1,000 beer that's gonna be drank tonight, and you guys choose it on the pre-show on Instagram. So this is the Mad Scientist, and look at this beer. This is double dry up, double IPA, 8.5%. Holy. Look at this can, man. The artwork is just amazing. That microbrewery is one of the best. This is one of my top 3 microbrewery here in Quebec. So it's too bad I ordered some. My favorite one is called Mesorem. So Mesorem. And I wasn't able to go pick it up. I actually ordered some. I need to go pick it up. I wanted to be that one to be the 1,000, but that's all good because these guys are really good also. So, um, yes. So, and I got the matching glass with it. So, all right. So, guys, the concept is really simple. If you're having a beer with me, I'm actually gonna snap a picture of that, and because this is 1,000, we need to celebrate that, right? Actually, I need to do it. So I'm gonna do a cheers, and if you're having a beer with me or drink, whatever drink you're having, just snap a picture, right? I'm gonna about to do a cheers with you. Snap a picture, post it on your story, tag my name on it, and we'll reshare it. All right, guys. So get ready. We're gonna do that cheers right now. All right. So 1, 2, 3, cheers. All right. So if you didn't have time to take that picture, don't forget to actually rewind YouTube, take that snap picture, and come back live. But cheers, guys. Wow. Oh yeah. All right. This is really good. Holy, this is good. Oh, I'm so glad I had this for my 1,000. All right, guys. So now we're gonna get ready for this episode. All right. So let's get this screen smaller. Let's not get distracted with my ugly face. And let's see some charts here. Where's my chart? Where is the chart? All right, let's get going. All right, so I actually just finished journaling. Um, where is it? Did I close it by mistake? Hopefully not. Actually, I closed it by mistake. Oh, see? By the way, guys, if you don't, guys, don't journal your trade. I don't know what the hell you're doing. You should use Trixie. Trixie is amazing. So this is the first trade we took. I didn't journal the other two. I'm gonna explain the other two live. By the way, guys, we got over 30 people live. We only have 9 likes. What's up with that? Please, can I ask everyone to smash that like button, please? This is to help the community here. We're gonna be going over questions, Q&As, like everything you need. I'm gonna try to help you guys. And don't forget the hashtag. I'm gonna be posting everything hashtag FX no drama. All right, let's see. Are you okay? Okay, perfect. No. I'm sure he still has his new hat at least. I'm sure he still has his new. Oh yeah. The next person I'm backing to win coupon is Lauren. She's homie. Oh yeah, she's gonna win next one. Um, let's see. All right, let's see. Like for Sasha. Oh, thank you, Thomas. Thank you. Hi, Sasha. I lost 85% of my income due to COVID. Um, to COVID shit, and my girlfriend also dumped me. LOL. I really need cheers tonight. Oh, hey, man. Let's do it, man. Cheers, buddy. Yeah, 85% of your income? Holy, that's hard, man. That's really hard. That's really hard, man. But hey, you know what? The good thing is you got Forex. And if you're serious about Forex and you take time, and you know what? You can actually take that COVID situation and put it into advantage for you, put more time on the chart, learn the right way to do it, and go hard at it, right? So, yeah, that'll be good. All right, so let's see. All right, so this is the trade from this morning. So this morning everything was ranging. So this is I write my journal as if I was like a teenager writing a real journal. That's how I do it, and that's how I like to do it. Okay, so I actually write what I think and how I feel and whatever. So I was waiting to see something to break 81,000 major QP or 250 QP. Looking at H1, we had a nice we had a nice resistance form with engulfing candle. Okay, so if you look on H1 here, so if you look at H1, all right, so if you look at H1 right now, we have this nice engulfing bearish candle closing, rejecting this major QP. So yes, it was risky because we didn't close under. And I told my students, this is more risky. I don't suggest every one of you take it. Only the one that gets more experience, you can take it, right? But this is more risky, and that's why I said I'm only going to risk 1% of this one. So what happened now, if you go back on 30 minutes, we got this candle to close right here. So what we did, we actually waited for this tail to form, as I say here, tail to form. And once, this is the dogtail setup, right? So once the tail got formed and we broke the low here, which was also breaking the major QP at the same time, I took my entry right there. We went to auto break even at 11 pips, and that's it. After that, price retraced pretty quickly. And once this candle closed, this thing shoot up so fast. It was not even funny. This was like the CPI news. But to be honest, this was the first time I actually experienced such movement with CPI. So I was actually pretty impressed. I don't know if I can say impressed or surprised. Actually, surprised would be the right word. I was really surprised about that movement. My target was here, the golden zone, right? Most of my students, I told them secure profits at 10, 11 pips. So most of them actually did secure profits. Me, I'm doing something different now these days for the past couple months. I'm putting my auto break even at 11 pips, and I take partials at 15, right? But most of my students actually secure some profits right here, and the other one that was doing the same strategy as me got stopped at break even. So it's still a win in my book. For me, break even, it's still a win, right? So this thing played out pretty well, pretty well. But the only thing, it was like this thing was a counter trend trading, and my whole idea was like we knew that price needed to come down around this area to push back up, but since this news was so impact, it was such a big impact, price just pushed up and there's no tomorrow. That's it. So that's it. That's all. That was the first trade of actually today. Actually, I started with today, but I forgot about Monday and Tuesday. So let's do today's trade and we'll go do Monday and Tuesday after. Let's see. Any question about that trade right here? Cheers, guys. Let's see. Lauren, Jade, he might do another wheel at another milestone. Oh, yes, maybe. Yes, maybe. But right now, I mean, I'm not going to do draw for, I don't know, for a while. You know, I'm actually, you guys probably going to be the first to know that I'm really, I think that next week I'm going to remove the monthly payment from the course, because right now you can pay the course in 3 payments. But I'm really close to remove it because it's way too much management. Some people forget to put money on their card, and the payment doesn't go through, and I need to text them and email them, and I need to manage all this, and I'm so busy I don't have time to do this. So it's gonna go back to only one payment, and that's it. But until then, it's still available. So I'm thinking about probably next week I'm gonna remove the 3 payments option. So if you want to get in FX Dogs Academy with the 3 payments option, do it quickly because I'm about to remove that option. The other thing, I'm probably be, I don't know, I'm looking at, because I think we do one-on-ones, we do group training, we do simulation, we do a lot of stuff, right? And I think it's pretty fair price, pretty cheap price. And I wanted to get started the academy, but I'm pretty soon to be increasing by not much, not crazy, but a little bit the price, right? Just to be, fair. Nothing crazy. So, anyways, you guys are the first to know about that. All right. So now let's jump into the next trade. All right, let's go here. All right, so next trade. Oops, I did. Here we go. The next trade was also on GA. GA, we've been saving my ass for a while, actually. All right, so what happened here? Okay, so what happened here? So basically, that CPI news came up, shoot up, break everything, and bam, retrace down back in that nasty range. So that holy. So basically waited for this candle to finally break and close above this range. But it did close under that QP. So I was like, man, let's wait. So we kind of waited. This candle, if you look on H1, waited for this candle here, to close above this QP. And once this H1 broke this previous high, that's where we used the dogtail setup and we entered. And this thing went to 14 pips ish profit. But after getting stopped at break even. So yes, on my side, 99% of the students actually got out around 11 pips and 12 pips. And the reason why, I'm going to tell you. Yes, this thing happened. So basically, actually, it was on the 30 minutes. Sorry, what am I saying? So basically, this doji candle actually broke and closed above 500. Sorry, waited for this one to break above this previous high right here, and finally went to 11 pips profit, went auto break even. Hold on, what am I saying? Oh, this is the other trade I took after. Hold on, wait a second. Timeout. Okay, I don't want to mess things up. Yes. Okay, so this one. Okay, so let's get back at it. Okay, so yes, actually, this one went to 11 pips profit. Auto break even got hit. Okay, so now price was retracing, coming back to 5 pips, 4 pips, going back up to 6 pips, 7 pips, going back down, going back up, going back down. And I was like, okay, so I told my students, like, hey, listen, if it goes back to 11 pips, I'm out. I'm going to take profits and that's it, right? So one of my students actually asked me a question. So I went on GJ, look at DJ chart and answering those questions. And I heard, I mean, I didn't hear, but after that, they told me that they said it. They were like, hey, Sasha, it's 11 pips we're taking out our trades. And I went back on GA. It was like already at 4 pips. So I was like, oh, shit, I missed it. So that's all good. I got stopped out at break even. Most of my students actually got profit at 11 pips. And this is amazing. Okay. So what happened after that? I was like so mad. I was not mad actually. I was not mad. I was. It's part of the program, right? It's part of the process. It's part of the game. I was like, all right. So I was actually, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm out. So I did something with my dogs. Came back to the chart, and I saw something happening actually here on H1. That was the trade here on H1, and I was like, okay, so let me get it. So once we broke again for the third time, that high actually took an entry and it went to 14.2 pips. I was like, fuck it, I'm out. And I closed full, and that's it, you know. So that trade actually wasn't live with my student, it was privately, but I took 3 trades today. 2 break even and one 14.2 pips gain, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so that's it. That was the trades. That was the trades for today. Crazy as day. GJ on the other end, we actually called something here on the GJ also, but I didn't take it. We had a nice break and retest here. And this one actually didn't play out. Oh, actually, yeah, I said to people, if we have this thing closing up here, it would be a nice entry right here. So I guess stop would be at 15 pips. Actually, I didn't follow up with students on that trade, but let's say they take, I said 15 pips stop. Stop is right here. Okay, so I guess, oh, I guess they were okay then. So I said fix 15 pip stops. If it goes back against you, close 50% of the trade. So I would say 50% of the trade will hit TP, I guess, in this case. I need to follow up on students for that, but yeah, that was the other trade that we talked about and discussed. So that was for today. Cheers. Let's see. I took entry. Okay, let's see comments, questions here. You have to be PG. You know. Is this GA? Yes, this is GA. Yes. I mean, this is GA. Yeah. GA has been saving my ass lately. If Semi joins, no, this chart won't be ready for it. Yeah. Okay. If, hold on, wait a second, Lauren, Jade. Imagine if Semi joins now. This chat won't be ready for it. Who is Semi? Semi. I took entry once, 15-minute close below support. Put the CPI to. Oh yeah, Lauren, you text me that. Oh, so sad, so sad. But 15-minute, Lauren, 15-minute is so sketchy. I'm telling you guys, if you remove 15 minutes from your play, man, your win ratio is going to increase so much. I was actually impressed. I've got one of my student. His name is Jason. I need to ask him to text me that, but he actually went over my full journal since day one. I started to journal on Trixie. He went over my full journal and calculated the win ratio, the percentage, and everything month by month. I was looking at numbers and I was actually impressed. I never looked at it, to be honest. And I was actually quite impressed myself because I never really looked at it. And he actually did the math and everything. I was like, oh wow, man. So yeah, and he said that the win ratio increase was due to when I stopped trading 15 minutes on my journal. So that was a huge game changer. So anyways, Let's see here. Next question. Lauren, Jade, yep, I did the same thing. Was stopped out, no worries, we'll make it up. All right, Iron Man. How much is it, Sasha? How much is it? What are you talking about the course? Oh, so the course is it's right here. Uh, um, let's see. Because if I don't do a new window, it's gonna open up my account. I want you to show you the full website. Um, so if you do this, that should give you the website. Yes. So if you go click join the pack, you got two options. The course, the full course and mentorship program, one-on-one group training, Zoom session, live trading floor, everything included for $4.99. And you also got the option of 3 payments of $180. But this is about to disappear, by the way. So, anyways, let's get back to business. All right, so that was the trade for today. Let's go see the other question. Cheers, guys. How much are your services, Sasha? It depends. In your hot dog or not? No, I'm joking, man. Same. I just look at it for the strength of our dollar. I've never once traded it. Never open up MK magic keys on it to see the value. Yeah. Let's see. Sasha on the GJ. Oh, Elisa. Sasha on the GJ trade today. Where will you have entered on that one? This is a good question. Yes, I think yes, because I actually called it. So anything I call, it's something I would have entered. So I would not call you something, guys, that I would not enter. I'm fair like that. It just doesn't make sense for me. I mean, I cannot call something that I'm not going to be entering, except for gold. No, gold. I don't trade gold, but I do call trades on gold. But everyone knows that I don't trade gold. Um, but yeah, yeah, GG I would have entered. Yes, it made sense for me. No, it made sense. So yes. Um, at the start of the 9:30 a.m. candle. Okay, let me check. 9:30. Yes, this one. Oh, not at the start of the 9:30. At the start of that 10 a.m. right here. Yes. Yes. And I will be closing 50% of drawdown. And the rest, I'll be waiting. You know? And the 50% would have been closing profits. I executed a buy on the 15-minute on GJ. Yeah, 15-minute is I don't know. Crazy. Yeah, Lauren, 30 minutes from now on. Yeah, game on. Game on, Lauren. Semi simple. He was moving man in Asian session. Mac, he was sipping over Lauren and another girl on Mac's stream. Who was going after Lauren? What? Oh, wait a second. He was moving mad on a session last night. Mac, he was simply over. Okay, whatever. Yeah. Oh well. Sasha, he works for the federal government. He is just gathering data to audit you. Yeah, that's a funny one. Lauren Jade, I learned that from Sasha, and it definitely helped before. I used to get faked out a lot on the 15 minutes. Yes, 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 yes. Semi is a disgrace. Oh, yeah, no class. There's here on this stream. There's only class people. Only classy people, man. The non-classy people get removed pretty quickly, like this. You know, I don't tolerate any bullshit. I don't tolerate any drama. So if you guys attempt anything against anyone, you guys gonna get removed your ass from here, and I don't give a shit. So yes. So hey, hashtag FX no drama. Okay. I'm peaceful. I want to be nice with everyone, and I want everybody to be nice. So that's it. No, Sasha, we're wait a second. Blah, blah, blah. I missed some chat here. End of May, I'll pay for someone to join you. You determined to permanent super winner. Oh, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Clay. Yeah, definitely learned my lesson now. 30 minutes from now on, rages. Okay. Elisa, no, Sasha, we're not. Will oh. Very much to Laurent. Okay. We collect more pips tomorrow for sure, man. Tomorrow live stream. Tomorrow live stream. Tomorrow morning. Um, favorite stream by far. Oh, thank you so much, Lauren. Thank you. Very appreciate. Very appreciate. Elisa says, "Hey, Karen Ox, congrats, lady. Hey, by the way, we got our second woman in FX Dogs Academy. I'm pretty excited about that. We're getting more women's, and yes, this industry needs more women's to show them, man. What's up with girl power, man? Show them what you got, girls. Come on. Um, damn, I gotta leave then. Oh, girl power growing in the pack. That's it. That's it. Let's go, girls. Let's go, girls. All right, no, oh wait, now I'm off track now. Okay, let's focus. Let's focus. Okay, let's break down the trades from actually yesterday. Let's close this. We got two more trades to break down. Actually, was that on the 10? Yes. Actually, three more trades to break down. Okay, so this is Monday. Okay, so this morning the overall trend was bearish on GA, but in London, price failed of actually failed of creating a higher low. I don't know if it makes sense for you guys. Looking at H1, when price formed support at 7 a.m. with an engulfing candle closing above major QP, I knew that most of the time we will visit next major QP. Took one entry at the opening of the candle took one entry at the opening of the 8 a.m. candle, expecting NY open to break the resistance above. Price pushed hard right at the beginning, so I wasn't able to grab a second and a third entry using dynamic risk. Yes, that was the sad part about it. Only had one entry, so it is what it is. So let's take a look at this trade. So basically, okay, so let me grab an arrow because this trade was pretty interesting. Yeah, you definitely guys want to take notes on this. All right, so let me show you. All right, so basically price was coming down here. We did this. We create a new low. We create a higher low, and we got this. Can we get the other tools here? Yes. Where is the? I guess they don't have it here. Whatever. So anyways, so price created a higher low, finally retested the previous low, broke it, created a new low. And now what happened? We got this double bottom right here, just before this major QP. And this double bottom broke and shoot up, right? So I was like, all right, so we got a trend reversal coming up. And once this failed of right here, this failed of creating a lower low. So now we're creating, if you see here, price came up, came down, create a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this is where we broke this structure, right? So let's remove all this. Move all those out. Let's just grab work with. Okay. So anyway, so finally, so basically new high was created right here. So price was starting to push up. So we broke that neckline here on the double bottom. So we knew that price is pushing up. We created a new high here. Support was formed with engulfing candle above major QP. So it was barely above major QP, but it was above. So what I decided to do, I took entry on this opening candle right here. Right here, took an entry. I was hoping to grab a second and a third entry right here on this wick, but it didn't wick down. He actually wicked down very quickly, like maybe 1 or 2 pips, and pushed back up straight away. Auto break even was hit at 11 pips right away. Partial TP was closed. 80% was closed right here at 15 pips. And another 50% got closed right here because we had resistance right here and right here. So I was like, man, let's not take any chance. Let me close 50% right here of my runner. This was probably like around like 20-ish pips. And next close was here in full at 79.9 pips, exactly right here. That was my target, and the reason why this was the target, it was the wick fill right here. So this was my target. And I wanted to target something under this next major QP. Even if I know that most of the time when we break a major QP like this, most of the time we'll go visit the next major. And that happened. So yeah, that's it. That was the trade for Monday. What time is it now? Okay, we're good in time. I'm expecting some here. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense. Hashtag effects no drama. Yes, Lauren. That's it. Actually, I got something. Guys, hold on with me. Hey, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Smash that like button. We got over like 40 people, 20 likes. Smash that like button. When I come back in 30 seconds, I want to see at least 30 likes. All right, I'll be right back. Sorry, guys. I had someone at the door. Sorry, guys. All right, so cheers. Um, all right, so yeah, thanks, Sasha. It's pretty rough here on aviation business. Oh, in Thailand, yes. Oh, yes, that's rough. Um, Elon crushed Bitcoin, man, minus 8.5%. Yeah, I don't really care about Bitcoins. I'm really hoping to get my Dogecoin up. Um, but yeah. Uh, Ironman trading. How's your retirement with XRP going? Oh, amazing trade. Oh, thank you, Lauren. Um, I was looking for a similar trade, but I was too busy focusing on gold because it was moving faster. Yeah, ended up moving too fast and took my SL to the bank. Yeah, gold, man. Go that. There's a reason why I don't trade gold. I mean, yes, you can trade gold and cash like if you trade gold and you only target like 5, 6, 7, 8 pips, yeah, okay, that's easy. Anyone can do that. But if you're looking for like 10, 15, 20 pips on gold, man, this should move fast, man. You gotta be ready. So yeah. Anyways, let's move on to the next trade. So this is my month so far. So far, actually, do we have one loss? Oh, actually, this one. I think this one lost. No? Oh, what the fuck? I forgot to. I think this. You know what? I think this one is a loss. So I'm actually. What the freaking happened here? But I think I lost. So you know what? I'm unfair. I am not scared of putting a loss here. There we go. This one was a loss, but I don't know what happened with this thing. So I guess this is my only loss from this month, I guess. Oh shit. I didn't realize that. That's pretty exciting. Okay, so let's move on. 10, 11. Okay, so this is Monday. Tuesday, sorry. All right, so Tuesday. Again, GA. Because GJ was just like ranching so badly. It was not even funny. So, anyways, so G was also in consolidation. I mean, this morning, price did two fake out to the upside. So I was waiting for a break and close above 500 QP for continuation. The 8 a.m. candle closed above 500 QP. The plan was to wait for the dogtail setup. Once broke previous high, I got my entry. Went to 15 pips and rejected it. Things things I need to do better on this one is next time if I see closed with no wick, close another 50% of the runner. Okay, so let's take a look at this closely. All right, so as you see right here, so as you see, price was ranging in here, right? So grab an arrow here. The price was ranging over here. So we got one fake out, a second fake out, price came down. So that's why I don't trade breakout candles anymore, you know. If it was me trading trading breakouts, I would be trading this candle once it break the high, you know, and got stopped, you know. It's just like if it was me trading breakouts, I would be taking a trade right here. And yeah, so I don't do those anymore. So one fake out, two fake outs. So what happened after that is, yeah. So my dog don't realize that this is the same guy that was here like 5 minutes ago. Anyways, cheers, guys. All right, so now let's take a look at this. So price came back in the range, finally formed support, came back above this QP, broke. Finally, we have a nice broke. This candle is our breaking candle. Oops, sorry. Here, this candle is our breaking candle. It actually closed above this QP, and it's actually closing above those fake outs here. So this is a pretty good indication for price to come up for continuation, right? So what I did is I waited for the tail to form for that dogtail setup. So waited for the dogtail to form, and once we broke the high right here, took my entry. And boom, went to 11 pips profit. My auto break even got hit, activated, and partial TP got hit here at 15 pips. 90% of the trade was closed at this time. And because I knew we were here at resistance, so I was like, let me close 90%. So I closed 90%, and the rest got stopped out at 1 pip profit. So I think this was a pretty beautiful trade also. Any question on this one? Cheers, guys. Guys, we got 30 people. We got almost 30 likes. We're missing one like. What's up with that? There's someone that didn't like the stream. What's up? We're missing one like. Come on, smash that like button, guys. Let me see comments here. Let's see. I was looking for some other. Okay. Yeah, gold is wild beast. Stop trading it. Yeah, gold, man. Gold is like a wild horse, man. Inflation is rising 4.2%. Gold's gonna skyrocket. Yeah, that's for sure, man. Gold's gonna skyrocket. Man, UCAD. Let me show you my UCAD. Because don't forget, I live in Canada, right? So for me, I love Biden right now. I'm in love with Biden. And the reason why I'm in love with Biden because he's taking down the economy, and for me, it's great because I can buy some U.S. money. So next time I go on a cruise, man, that cruise is gonna be half price for me. So which is pretty good. Because look at this. Oh shit, price is going up. Oh. Shit. Shit. This is no good. Because my meeting at the bank is tomorrow. And the reason why is I'm upgrading my US account and I want to buy more US. So I'm probably gonna buy like, I don't know, a small amount, like probably like 10, 15,000, I don't know. Something around there. Nothing crazy. But here the orange line, this alert is where I want to buy like more. But here was my last zone, and here is the perfect zone at 1.19. For me, this is great because I know for a fact that at one point U is gonna go back up, right? But the thing is, they printed so much money, it's crazy. So anyways, so yeah, I guess you guys missed Trump now. But anyways, it's part of the game, right? But if you look here on this daily chart on UCAD, last time we hit that level here, it was like in 2015. This is crazy. So yeah, I'm pretty excited right now. Tomorrow I'm buying some US at the bank, and yeah, I can't wait for that meeting. Yeah, I'm getting excited because I can see my cruise being half price right now, and I'm a cruiser. I love cruise. So yeah, I love cruise. I can wait. I can't wait to be back on the cruise. Oh man, I'm just talking about it. I get excited. Sorry guys, I got I got off track here. Let me focus here. Okay, so let's go. So let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. No, that's not what I want to talk about. Okay. The next trade. Last trade we need to break down. Oh man, we're running out of time. What's up with that? Where's my journal? Okay, so let's close this. Last trade is this one here. So I took a second trade, I guess, on not I guess, but I took a second trade on Tuesday. This one was on GJ. Finally, GJ. So this morning, GJ was in consolidation. I was mainly looking to break 500 to go short and retrace in the H4 golden zone. Since we were pushing up since yesterday, or option B was to wait for break and retest above 154 major QP at 7:30 a.m. candle, close engulfing bearish. Wait a second. At 7:30 candle close engulfing bearish. It was a tight range, but I was expecting the NY open volume to break 500 zone. Since it was a tight range, I reduced my risk to 1%. Hit 11 pips, move SL to break even, but came back to entry. I'm pretty happy because the analysis made sense and it went to TP on the next candle. Next time when I have a tight range, I need to secure some profits at 11 pips because the only time I don't get my 15 pips, it's when market is in tight range. Or I should change that, or when market is not trending. So I changed my strategy a couple months ago, about, like, before I was always going for 10 pips, 11 pips, profit. And after going back to my journal, I realized that most of the time, like 90% of the time, when I was getting 10 or 11 pips, I was actually getting 15 right after. Like, you know what? Let me change something. Let me try something for a week or two. So I actually tested that for a week or two, and I said, yeah, let me put my auto break even at 11 pips, like if I was securing profits. I'm not going to secure profits at 11 pips, but I put my stop at break even. And let's wait for 15. 4 pips more per day per week is a lot, So let's say that you lose one day and you win 4. This is 20 pips more per week. This is like 80 pips more per month. Do the math. It's a lot of money. So I was like, well, try that. So I actually tried it and it was working pretty good. And I realized now, after doing this trade, I actually realized when I went back to my journal. So that's the good thing about journaling. You can go back and look at it. And the only time I actually don't hit my 15 pips is most of the time when price is not trending. When it's rangy and, getting close to a tight range to a resistance. That's where now I need to change my strategy. When I see this, I need to close at 11 pips and that's it, Close, partial at least, like 70%, 80, 90%, whatever, and let the rest run. So that's the only thing I need to change about that. So let's take a look at it. And this is going to be the last trade we're going to be breaking down. So basically price was, let me grab an arrow here. So price was rangy, right? Ranging right here. Bam, boom, 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 boom. Finally, this is our breaking candle. Sweet. So what I do most of the time, I wait for break and retest, or I wait for dogtail setup. In this case, I was waiting for, because it was 6:30 a.m. If you look at the time, 6:30 a.m. for me, it's way too early for dogtail or impulse entry. So I waited for break, retest, resistance form, engulfing candle, amazing, got my confirmation, bam, took entry. Okay, so I took entry on the opening of the candle. But I knew that this zone was right here. And my auto break even got hit right on the dot, which is this 500 QP. Knowing that we were at the zone right here, I should have secured some profits. Okay, so I was a little bit maybe greedy. I don't know what happened here. And my partial PB was set at 15 pips like usual. But now I need to keep in mind that next time this thing happened, I need to secure some profits. And that's it. That's it. Pretty simple, pretty textbook. Break and retest. Cheers. All right, so let's see now. I guess that conclude. Do we have any question about that trade? Any question about that trade? Salut Sacha, toujours un plaisir de te voir en live. Hey, merci Théo, vraiment apprécié. Vraiment, vraiment apprécié. Let me go check the chat here. Let's see. So my losses was on gold. Okay. Do you happen to know the score of the half game? Let me give you the score on the half game. Right now, it's I don't know. It's a kind of a timeout. Like, is it going on? What's going on? Oh. So third period is starting right now. So yeah, third period is starting right now, and it is. Where's the score? Oh, god damn it! Mike, you did that on purpose. You asked me that question on purpose because you know they were losing. Mike, I kind of like you before. Now I kind of not sure about it. Yeah, it's 3-2 now for the Oilers. Oh well. All right, Sasha is gonna be bailing on the cruise. Bailing. I don't remember what means bailing. I don't remember. What's bailing? God damn. Yeah, Frank is trying to find out the meaning of bailing. Um. Anyways, could you please explain those psychological level on your Geo trade, please? Okay, Emmanuel. So basically, those QPs are psychological levels or bank levels or um most of the time if you backtest this, you realize that price really respect very well those levels. And there are round numbers because you know why when people enter a trade they'll say, hey, put me in at like 250, put me in at 500. They will not say put me in at 257.999. No, they will not say that, right? So that's why those, if you look at this. Look at how well it's respected. So 250, bam, rejected. 250, bam, rejected. If you look at this. 750, rejected. Here, rejected 500. Here, right on the dot, 250. I mean, major QP, this is amazing. You know, rejected. It's just like, yeah, those are round numbers, you know. And there's a big theory about those round numbers, about the 250, the 500. There's a way to trade those. And I've been looking at those and been studying those for a while. And, you know, I'm actually about to release another video in our course about it. QPs 2.0. So yes, those are really good. Is the price of your mentorship in USD? Yes, it is. So right now it's actually a deal for you guys because USD is weak. So if you want to get in, it's time to get in right now. It's actually very weak right now, so pretty good. And the reason why it's in USD, it's because the platform I choose, Teachable, charges in USD. That's the only reason. I don't have to manage like the payment processor and all those things. So I invested in a platform that got everything included, right? There needs to be a retest on GJ. No, on GJ on this trade. Yeah, this was a break and retest. This one was a break and retest. So if you look, Karen, this was the breaking candle, this was the retest, and this was the confirmation of a resistance form, engulfing also. So yes. Take a look here. Any more questions? I'm waiting for the retest to just hoping if it does go back into the range. Oh yes. Yeah, it's always better to wait for retest or dogtail setup. It will help. Uh, what do you rate the Mad Scientist beer? This will definitely be a 4.25 at least. Um, yeah, it's at least a 4.25. I'm gonna have to go back on my rated beer and see which one I rated 4.5 because it's a battle right now. It's either 4.5 or 4.25, but it's really solid. It's really solid because I'm really picky, man. 4.75, it's really rare on my rating. Five, I think I only have one or two beer at five. Because perfection is really hard to find, right? I'm really, really, really picky on my rating. Um, Rages. Okay, Simon, I don't really. Okay, you guys talking to each other. Okay, okay, okay. 34 people and 35 likes. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good, man. Thank you, thank you. That's a pack effect, man. Yes. People like and go off. Yes. Um me and my me and my Nux will watch the abs from the golf course. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, man. The Canucks is not doing the playoff. Sorry, Mike, but we're doing it. Just saying. Hey, man, if you want to send you jersey out there. Um, Sasha, what the difference between GJ and GA? Why choose GA from GJ? Oh, I didn't choose GA from GJ. I've been trading GJ for like over a year and a half, strictly GJ. And I started to back this a couple months ago, probably like 6 months ago. I started to back this GA to add a second pair to my book. Yeah, I started to trade live GA. I think in December, January, can't remember. And yeah, I kind of added this. So now I trade two pairs only. So GA is kind of my backup pair. So GJ is still my main pair, but when GJ is like ranging like shit, I'm looking at GA. So I got two pairs to look at. But I actually definitely look. I traded GJ for over a year and a half, strictly GJ. So before adding a second pair. Are you still holding Doge? Oh yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my bit. This is my crypto. So basically, the yellow line is where I bought. This is XRP. So this is where I bought my XRP, and yeah. So I mean, I got two position in profit. I got one. Those two were my two major entries. Like yeah, quite major entries, should say. Those one was like okay entries and okay entries. Um, and those I don't trade crypto, right? I just buy and I let it go. And this is the other one I'm holding. This one right here. So I bought here at where's my yellow line? What the fuck? Oh, this is BTC. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is a trade I attempt on BTC. So this one is yeah, a small risk, and I guess this one lost. I actually didn't look on Binance. It was like a 0.10%. It was nothing. It was just to test something. Anyway, so this is Doge. So Dogecoin, yeah. So this is my buys on Doge. So I bought at 27. Pretty uh not a good buy. It was like 1,000. So it was really, really soft. 1,000 right here. And I bought for another like I think 500 here, another 500 here. So right now I got $2,000 worth of Doge running, and we'll see how it goes. So I got two position in profit, and we'll see how it goes. About this guy here is my buy right here. So this is another pretty good one. In profit. This one is still in profit. This is my buy here. This one is pretty good. Yeah. ETH, nothing, man. I was looking actually to buy right around here. But I was like, yeah, this is a high, so I'm not gonna I'm gonna wait for dip. And damn, this thing just shoot up, never dipped down. So I was like, oh well. So let me wait for the dip. That's it. So this is some coins I'm just holding, and we'll see how it goes. I don't trade those yet. I backtest and try stuff, but I don't trade those. Oh, Mike, we gotta go. We gotta go. Retreat. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes. All right. So, anyways, I gotta go, man. It's 7 o'clock. Holy man, 1 hour Forex talk over beer. This is my longest Forex talk over beer. Okay, let's go see comments before we end this. People like Hi Sasha, just a random question. Are you Canadian and what's the price of beer there? Oh yes, I'm definitely Canadian. And a microbrewery like this is a special beer. So it's around like $7. But if you're looking like a Coors Light, like a random, like classic ordinary beer, it's probably around like $2 or $3, right? Lauren, I'm really enjoying GA over GJ lately. Oh yeah, me too. Definitely. Look at my journal. You'll see. And by the way, my journal is public, guys. If you want, look on Instagram. I got a link on my bio. Click on this, you get the access for my journal for free. Mike, yes. Mr. Spare, yes. They probably interfere with the goalie. Don't even try that. We got a goal refused yesterday. I was so mad. I would have won that game against Leaf. So anyways, hey guys, thank you very much for watching. This was an amazing episode of Forex Talk Over Beer. Thank you. 1,000 beer, 50 students. Pretty excited about that. We got a perfect week so far. So tomorrow, don't miss our live session starting at 5:30 a.m. Eastern. Be there on Trade with the Pack. And don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you tomorrow morning, guys. Cheers.